Alright, I am back for another, let me get this soda out of the way, for another unboxing from Whatnot. So, this box right here is from Gentry125, hi, and this one's from BIT Breaks over on Whatnot. Both are from Whatnot. Now, although I'm perfectly happy with the packaging, the Nussie's Postal Service messed up a little bit, because when I received Gentry's package, this flap right here, the package was already cut as if somebody was trying to get in there. So, but luckily everything was evenly shrink wrapped, and I got through it. So thank you for shrink wrapping the cards, Gentry. Lord knows I'll probably be missing cards if it wasn't for you shrink wrapping that. So, but shame on that person. But anyway, speaking of Gentry, let's go ahead and let's see what cards. I can't remember. I think this is a giveaway on one. I believe. So, yep. Kate, thanks, girl. That's right there. Thanks, girl. You're welcome. Thank you. So, yeah, this is good. No, this isn't a giveaway. This is a impulse buy, people. I impulse bought. I need to stop that. This is impulse buying is bad. Very, very bad. Anyway, like I should talk. Anyway. See what we got. First up, we have Tanner Bibee Pitcher Rookie Card Guardians. Strands card. Oh, this is a nice one right here. Second baseman, old school, Rogers Hornsby. That's a very nice old school card. I like that. Very nice. Not numbered, I was just see. The Fun Guy Rocky rookie card of Escriel Tovar, shortstop. Hopefully Rockies will do decent this year. Rockies and Padres, all day, people. Doesn't matter how bad they stink. Does not. Not in my book. I stick with it for life. And then I have a nice Austin Riley Braves. That's a nice one too. Oh, nice. You got next up, one of my favorite players of all time, Mike Piazza. That's a nice one. I like that. That's cool. Huge fan of vintage. And of course, one of my other favorites, Ken Griffey Jr. That's a nice one. No, well, that's the lowest card, 29. That's the lowest card so far. Oh, this last card's sick. You guys, I cannot wait to show you guys that. Luke Gehrig. Ooh. That's nice. 18. I'm 18, and I don't know what I want. Very nice. And of course, this was huge for me. This was a huge pull. Shohei Ohtani. Showtime Ohtani in the Angels uniform. Wow. Number 1? No way. Wow. Number 1. Honor. Isn't that beautiful? This is actually the only Ohtani card I have. Alright, next up is BIT Breaks on Whatnot. I'm going to check something really quick here, guys. I want to see. So, Ken Griffey, nope. So, Tanner Bibee rookie card is 122. And 127 is Rogers Hornsby. 127, excuse me. 217 on the Tovar. These are very nice cards. Yes, go to, if you're wondering where I got these, you got these, go to Austin Riley, 227. Go to Topps Archives. Mike Piazza, 139. Then you got Ken Griffey Jr., 29. Wow. Luke Gehrig, 18. You know what I want. And then, of course, the Shohei Showtime card. Number 1. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Alright, next up is BIT breaks. I'm going to put these back in here really quick and then we'll jump on it to the BIT breaks. Silly thing. But thank you, Gentry125. I love the card. Now, last night, I was in Kix's, where's the Kix? I can't remember his whatnot. But anyway, I was, after Coop, I was actually in the stream, and I didn't buy anything, but I won a giveaway. And the giveaway was a Sapphire Bowman. Stunning card. And I don't even have a Bowman, like, the lace Bowman either. Is that in there? Yeah. Okay. BIT breaks. Here we go. And they're actually, I'll tell you what, they're also on YouTube, BIT. Yeah, it was cool. I always wanted to buy something for them. And this was a good break to be part in. So, I reckon, I have no idea what this is from. But I think it was like, hold up. I reckon this is from what break? Let's see here. No, it's a $4 in total, which was pretty cool. BIT auctions, Ricky Refractor, Breakdancer, back with wheel, massive giveaways, drops every 30 minutes. I didn't get the giveaway, and that's okay. Anyway, here we go. A lot of these are prospects, and these, I don't know much about them, but I'm learning about the prospects, so here we go. First up, we have a Averson Arteaga, San Jose Giants. Oh, this is like minor league? Minor leaguers. That's cool. 93. And the next I have pro debut of Gabriel Hughes, Fresno Grizzlies. Yeah, pro debut. That's what it's from. Doug. The card number is 66. Nice! I got Max Muncy. Let's go. Back when he was in the minor leagues. Max Muncy. Lancey Lugnuts. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've seen a Lugnuts game before. That's cool. I didn't know he was part of the Lansing Lugnuts. That's cool. 73. Alright, next up I have a Nerwillian Cedeno pro debut. Lake Elsinore Storm. Now, I will say these are very nice cards. 132. Ooh. This is a nice one. John Mayberry. ERS. ERS. That's a nice card. Wow. Ooh, I like the back. 15. Look at the back. That's stunning. Next up, Dayan Frias, Lynchburg Hillcats pro debut. Very cool. Next up, oops, I have a George Valera. Columbus Clippers. Columbus Clippers. Cool. 64. And lastly, I have a Jordan Beck Fresno Grizzlies Pro debut. It's pretty decent cards. A little bland looking. These are pretty good. I'll say I look at all the prices after this, but I say the John Mayberry is the best one, in my opinion. Wow. Alright, that sums it up for now. Take care, stay safe, stay humble, be blessed. Bye-bye.